Disney is raising the stakes in the fight for Fox's assets, now increasing its offer to $71 billion, topping Comcast's all-cash bid of $65 billion. That sent shares of all three companies higher in trading today. And the bidding comes as media companies look to strengthen their own positions against the likes of Netflix. Julia Boorstin is at an advertising conference in Cannes, France, where the fight for Fox was a big topic.
Fox and Disney agreeing to a new, more expensive deal. Disney paying $10 more per share than it had previously agreed to with Fox for a deal worth over $71 billion. Disney's new deal, a 50-50 split between cash and stock, about $6 billion more than Comcast's all-cash offer made last week. Disney CEO Bob Iger saying on an investor call that the company has become more committed to the deal.
Distribution in terms of direct-to-consumer distribution has actually become an even more compelling proposition in the 6 months since we announced the deal. There's just been not only a tremendous amount of development in that space, but clearly the consumer is voting loudly that these new platforms are very compelling.
Iger saying on the call that he's confident the deal will gain regulatory approval and that Disney has a meaningful head start on Comcast.
We've been working with regulatory authorities, not just in the United States, but in jurisdictions across the world now for 6 months. And we've made a lot of progress toward obtaining the regulatory approvals that are necessary.
Disney saying this higher cost deal does not change their plans to invest in Disney's businesses, but that short term, they plan a more conservative approach to share repurchases and will not complete the $20 billion share repurchase announced in December. Rupert Murdoch, executive chairman of 21st Century Fox, saying, quote, "We remain convinced that the combination of 21st Century Fox's iconic assets, brands, and franchises with Disney's will create one of the greatest, most innovative companies in the world. As for what's next, no word back from Comcast on whether it plans to offer more for Fox." For Nightly Business Report, I'm Julia Boorstin in Cannes, France.